Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to find storage permission settings on Amazon Shopping app on an Android device. Okay, let's go to the tutorial. First thing first, go ahead and open Amazon Shopping app on your device. Okay, after that, here you can click three line at the bottom. Then here you can press on settings option, and then we can select permission. Okay, and then this will show all the app permission settings that you can change according to your needs. Okay, that's the tutorial on how to find storage permission settings on Amazon Shopping app on an Android device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.